A dirty, filthy car. Can you hear him?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. He's gotten more active since I got him. And I've had him for a day and a half.
Guess I could put my boots on.
Rabbit from there so he couldn't see me. Can I put them out in the open or should I leave them in the trees here?
That's okay.
Which doesn't matter?
Okay, Judy, the bag's coming down.
Okay, I'm waiting. You just have to hold it down for a second and the flash will go off.
Pardon me? Now I'm coming down.
Do you want me to move them over to your binder and stuff?
Sure, please.
Okay. Oh, you're ferocious. So which is the oldest one? What's his name?
Coming down, Judy.
Okay. I've got a wonderful job.
Did the camera come back down?
Yeah, I got it in my pocket.
Okay.
So this will got the new daughter this time?
He's okay.
Okay. I'm done. weren't too aggressive.
Sorry, buddy. We didn't mean to stress you.
There you go. There. How much smaller? I just want to see how he looks beside this one.
A little bit smaller.
Oh, it's okay. Always make sure the band won't slip off the sides of the foot. You can ban great horns once they're 10 days old. But I always like to check, make sure it's not going to slide over the clock. Alright, that was quick and painless, right?
It's just settled in nicely with the others.
Claudia made it.
The one other,
It's a wire basket.
Yeah,
Claudia
you-
lined it. Yeah, but you put
Who
the
put it up?
Ron, what our
Yeah.
maintenance guy.
If you want me to take a picture with your camera again when all four are in the nest, I can
please,
do
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
yes, right here.
And is it named Walter or Ross?
Yes.
It's named Ricky after me.
Oh, Ricky.
No, you can name it what you
Okay,
want.
I think it should be Walter. Walter Ross?
I don't want to do a GPS when I come down.
Ours is more adventurous. Okay. Woo, woo.
So that was easy as
Oh, that was super easy. Yeah, it's only about 30 feet.
All right, I'm Judy Boyd with Medicine River Wildlife Center. Someone found this baby in Drumheller. It was on the ground and no nest could be found. So they brought it to us and we brought it out here and Rick kindly went up the tree and put it in and there's the story. So I'll turn it over to Rick.
Hi, my name is Rick Morse. I'm a licensed bird bander. Been banding birds of prey for 35 years. And today we're fostering an orphan great horned owl chick into a nest here at Ellis Bird Farm. And everything went successfully. There's 3 chicks there, now there's 4. We added extra food today too, so parents shouldn't have to provide as much today. So other than that, everything went well.
I'm Renee Pierman with the Ellis Bird Farm. Was thrilled when Judy Boyd called and asked if Ellie and Albert would be willing to take on another baby. And so thanks to Rick, thanks to the Medicine River Wildlife Center, we orchestrated it today. And Ellie and Albert are now the proud parents of 4 young. So we hope that people will keep watching and be enthralled with the story of these wonderful owls here at the Ellis Bird Farm. We really want to support the Medicine River Wildlife Center, so we urge all listeners to send a donation to this organization because they do amazing work to helping our local wildlife.